If you've ever pulled your favorite sweater out of the closet only to find it covered in those little fuzzy balls, or also known as piling, well, don't worry. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make your sweaters look brand new. Again, without going to the store, buying a new one. We're going to be using this thing called an electric fabric shaver. Piling happens over time as fabric rubs together, especially in the areas like the sleeves, the sides, and even underarms. But instead of tossing your sweater, we are going to fix it. This is a fabric shaver. Now, I've actually had this fabric shaver for a very long time. I'm going to put a link in the description box down below of my new favorite one that I'm going to be getting very soon. You can find these online or in stores for pretty cheap, and they work wonders. First, you're going to lay your sweater flat on a clean, hard surface. You can even hang it up, but make sure it's nice and smooth with no wrinkles or folds. You don't want to accidentally catch that fabric. Turn on your shaver and lightly glide it over the pilled areas. Don't press down too hard. Just let the device do the work. Move in a small, circular, or straight line motion. I guess it's really going to depend on your area. Once you're done, don't forget to empty that lint compartment. It fills up fast. Look how much came out. Now, I have been using this for some time, and I forgot to clean it before we started this video, but as you can see, I use it a lot. It's super simple. Your sweater is ready to wear again without all the fuzz. If this helped, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips like this.